everyone, welcome to my channel The Blessed Soul. I hope you guys are doing great. So, as you can see by the title, we are going to be discussing about resin art, a craft I have been passionate about since last 5 to 6 years. Over the time, I have encountered and overcome few challenges, which especially is of the beginner stage. So let's dive into the 5 common mistakes I have made in the early days of my resin art journey. The first one is to always wear an apron. While working with resin, it can get quite sticky, which makes it easier to accidentally touch your clothes. To avoid that, please do wear apron. The second one is to always use hand gloves. Just protect your hands from the itchiness, redness, and the skin allergies caused by directly touching the resin by only wearing hand gloves. Third one is to opt for a silicone or a plastic surface, which will prevent you from the harsh marks which are left on your table, on the floor. I have learned it the hard way because I have ruined one of my table with the bumpy resin marks, and I was not able to do anything on that table because I have to ensure that when the resin is drying, it should dry evenly. So now, please use something on the table or the floor. Store your pieces inside a closed box. To maintain a clean, shiny, and dust-free finish of your resin pieces, always keep it for drying inside a closed box. This prevents dust and insects from settling down in your artwork. But if you want to, I don't recommend that. Fifth one is measure properly. One of the most commonly made mistakes by beginner is improper measuring of resin and hardener's ratio. If you're using different kinds of resin and hardener from different companies or brands, you need to make sure that the ratio is different, and each brand have different ratios also, whether it is 1:1 ratio, whether it is 2:1 ratio, or 3:1 ratio. You have to make sure that you measure properly, or else face the disappointment the next day when it gets dry. Ensure that you use correct ratio given in the guidelines of the resin boxes. The bonus tip is do not use hardware resin with excessive amount of thinner because it can cause your molds to stick and give a very, very dry and matte finish. I hope these tips helped all the resin art enthusiasts, especially the beginners on their creative journey. If you have any ideas, insights, or anything to share, please do so on the comment section below. Thanks for joining me today to explore the world of resin art and learning from my experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video up. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.